Meeting to discuss solutions to the state's crumbling home insurance market.
Governor Ron DeSantis called for this week-long special session after we dealt with 2 hurricanes here in our state. West 2 Sheldon Dutez is at the state capitol this morning, looking ahead to the proposals lawmakers will consider this week.
And of course, that big post, and this wasn't here.
Robin Ray's plans to fix up his Orange County home are on hold. And this is where you wanted to put that garage?
Yeah, right around here.
He can't build that garage right now because he says he needs to save that money to pay his home insurance premium, which keeps getting more expensive.
In the last 10 years, it's gone up from $600 with like a 1%, 2% deductible, right, to almost $2,400 a year. When you couple that along, like I said, with the real estate taxes and everything else, it becomes almost, it's just very expensive.
And Ray's not alone. The average Florida homeowner is paying almost 3 times more than the national average just to insure their homes. And there are fewer options for coverage after these 6 insurance companies stopped operating in the state just this year. It's not because of catastrophic natural disasters, but industry analysts blame fraudulent roof replacement costs, litigation, and reinsurance, which is insurance for the insurance companies. State lawmakers are going back to Tallahassee for their second property insurance special session of the year to focus on fixing the problem.
It clearly shows the scope of the problem we have in Florida. There are so many issues impacting the Florida property insurance market that the new leadership of both the House and the Senate want to address everything in a 5-day session.
Right now, lawmakers are considering a plan that would limit attorneys' fees, create an option for insurance companies to get help with reinsurance through the general fund, and make sure last resort insurance carrier Citizens customers get separate flood insurance plans.
I want to make sure that any property insurance reform is focused on consumers over the industry. So I want to make sure that whatever savings are passed down to the companies, that consumers actually see those savings as well.
You have to make the private market more stable so it's more palatable for carriers to come in and insure our residents for lower rates.
Both the House and the Senate filed their bills late Friday evening for this special session. They are each over 100 pages long. And regardless of whatever lawmakers decide this week here at the Capitol, it will likely be at least a year and a half, possibly longer, before Florida homeowners start to see any potential relief. Reporting in Tallahassee, I'm Sheldon Dutez, West 2 News.